Do you need a strong, practical utility trailer design you can actually build? This complete trailer plan gives you professional technical drawings with accurate dimensions and clear details so you can build it right the first time. You'll see the frame layout, axle position, deck structure, tongue setup, and critical measurements, everything laid out clean and easy to follow. Whether you're a DIY builder, metal fabricator, or just need a dependable trailer, this plan saves time, eliminates guesswork, and keeps your build organized. It's drawn with real drafting standards in mind, not scribbled napkin sketches. This is the kind of blueprint you can trust. If you're ready to build a serious trailer plan, grab the plan now at technicaldrawing.us and get started. Like and subscribe, folks. We got more plans on the way.